Hello mga mi, this is Mommy RB and I'm back para sumagot na naman ng another question regarding nga sa family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, you can head over to my YouTube channel, Mommy RB, para sa complete information about family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. Or you can follow me here on TikTok. Sagutin natin yung question na to. Ang sabi dito, ask ko lang po kung need po ng permit to travel kung mother lang po ang kasama. Nakita ko po kasi sa visa requirement sa VFS. I think I was able to answer this question na in the past sa isa sa mga video ko. And nabanggit ko doon that I myself ay pumunta sa visa center para magpa-approve ng aming visa with my daughter. So she is at the time 7 years old and hindi po kami hinanapan ng kahit anong travel permit because ang nag-invite sa amin ay yung si daddy niya, yung asawa ko. So technically, if you are the mother and if you're going to see your husband or yung kanyang tatay, hindi naman siguro hahanapan kasi sa case ko hindi po siya hinanapan ng travel for permit. So yun, sa case po namin hindi po kami hinanapan ng permit to travel. Pwede pong kasama ng mother ang kanyang anak mag-travel papunta sa Saudi because technically kung family visit visa kayo, syempre malamang husband or yung tatay yung pupuntahan doon sa Saudi Arabia. So I will just assume na ganun nga. So if you have any other question, don't hesitate to comment on it. Pwedeng sa aking YouTube, pwede dito sa TikTok. I will try my best not to answer. Once again, I have complete information in my YouTube channel. And if you have any bookings, hotels, activities anywhere around the globe na gusto nyo i-book, you can use Klook app and use Mommy RB Klook. That will give you up to 5% off discount para at least mas makatipid tayo. Yan lang mga mi, thank you for watching.